He's working on tracing his letters. He's really into learning how to write right now and learning his alphabet. We love ABC Mouse. It's so interactive. Right now, I have my 4-year-old. He's in pre-K, and he is working on tracing his letters. He's really into learning how to write right now and learning his
Ako tinula lang namin kahapon. Kami tinula namin kagabi. Kahapon. Doon sa niluto. Bili kami sa dali ng chicken ng buo. Magkano? 169. Malaki namin. Malaki. Ito maliliit. May maliliit. So, syempre, ano siya? Yung all joy. Tapos yung isa, sa Dia kasi yung isa. Doon ako sa kabila. Mga brand. Ito isa kasi maliliit. May merenda ko. Una kay Lola. Ito Lola. Saan si Maggie? Maggie! Maggie! Tapos. Look. Ulan. Rain. Go away. Parang ko, Ben, sakit naman ng hanga. Rain. Go away. Come again another day. Little Maggie wants to play. Rain. Nana, sino yun? Dog. F. Tawag mo yung dog. Ay! Ano yan? Aray! Kasi Tito Bok kung tumawag. Tito Bok, la la la, la 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 la, na 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 na.